Hey, my name is Paul. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about valve kit dispensing for Bunn part #39285.1001. The valve kit dispensing for Bunn part #39285.1001 is a replacement part for Bunn coffee brewers. It includes a solenoid valve, a check valve, and 2 O-rings. The solenoid valve is used to control the flow of water into the brewer, while the check valve prevents backflow of water from the brewer. The 2 O-rings are used to seal the connections between the parts and ensure a tight fit. This kit is designed to provide reliable performance and long-lasting durability. It is an essential part for any Bunn coffee brewer and should be replaced regularly too. This part fixes the following symptoms. This valve kit is used to replace worn or damaged parts in Bunn coffee brewers. It helps to ensure that the brewer is dispensing the correct amount of coffee and water and that it is doing so at the correct temperature. It also helps to prevent leaks and clogs in the brewer's internal components. Here is how you install this part. 1. Start by turning off the water supply to the Bunn coffee maker. 2. Remove the existing valve kit from the machine and discard it. 3. Install the new valve kit by attaching it to the water inlet on the back of the machine with a screwdriver. Make sure that it is securely attached and that all connections are tight. 4. Connect the new valve kit to the water supply line using a compression fitting or other appropriate connection method. Make sure that all connections are tight and secure. 5. Turn on the water supply and check for any leaks at all. You can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.partsfps.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.